Get excited about the 2016 Honda Pilot. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, skid plates, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.